Hello students, today's topic is energy of electron in nth orbit. When electron revolves around the nucleus, then it has two velocities. If the speed of electron in nth orbit is Vn and radius is Rn, then there is two types of energies. One is kinetic energy, which is due to the speed of electron. And what is the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is 1 by 2 mv square. So, K kinetic energy is equal to half m Vn square. Why Vn square? Because we are talking about the nth orbit. So, now one electron is at a distance Rn from the nucleus. So, there must be a electrostatic potential energy, and this potential energy U must be equal to minus K Q1 Q2 upon R. So, Q1 is let us say ZE and Q2 is E upon Rn. So, this is the potential energy of electron. Now, from the force balance m Vn square by Rn is equal to K ZE square upon Rn square. This is electrostatic force, this is centrifugal force. So, we equate both of these. So, m Vn square by Rn is equal to K ZE square by Rn square. Rn will be cancelled out. So, we calculate the value of m Vn square from there, that is equal to K ZE square upon Rn. So, what is the value of m Vn square? K ZE square by Rn. Now, put this equation, put this value m Vn square in first equation. So, we can calculate the kinetic energy. So, kinetic energy in that case will be equal to 1 by 2 m Vn square. Now, what is the value of m Vn square? That is equal to K ZE square upon Rn. Now, total energy, if we talk about the total energy of the electron, that is equal to sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy. Now, what is the kinetic energy? This is the kinetic energy. So, 1 by 2 K ZE square upon Rn, this is the kinetic energy, and potential energy is minus K ZE square upon Rn square, K ZE square upon Rn. So, this is total energy is minus 1 by 2 K ZE square upon Rn, that is equal to total energy. Now, we can write this total energy in terms of kinetic energy as well as potential energy. So, total energy is equal to, this is kinetic energy. So, total energy is minus kinetic energy, and this is minus K ZE square upon Rn is potential energy. So, that is equal to potential energy by 2. So, sometimes the question asked on that concept that kinetic energy is given to you, you can calculate total energy and you can calculate potential energy. Now, we want to calculate the energy of electron in nth orbit. So, En means energy of electron in nth orbit. So, En is equal to minus K ZE square upon Rn. Put the value of Rn. So, Rn is equal to minus K value of K is 9 into 10 raised to power 9, E is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 whole square into Z upon Rn is 0.529 into 10 raised to power minus 10 n square by Z. Z will go upside, so it will becomes Z square, right. Now, these all values are numerical values. So, energy of nth orbit is minus 13.6 into Z square by n square electron volt. We calculate the energy in electron volt, right. So, that is equal to the energy of nth orbit, minus 13.6 z square by n square electron volt. As number of orbits increases, means n increases, then energy increases or decreases? Increases or decreases? It will increase always, because minus sign is there. So, for first orbit is minus 13.6, for second orbit minus 13.6 upon 4. So, it is less than minus 13.6, so it will increase. So, for hydrogen atom, what is the value of Z? Z is 1. So, that is equal to En is equal to minus 13.6 by n square electron volt. This is the final energy for the hydrogen atom, and if we put the values for n, for first orbit E1 is equal to minus 13.6 electron, for second orbit E2 is equal to minus 13.6 upon 4. Why? Because 2 square for second orbit. So, that is equal to how much? Minus 3.4 electron volt. Similarly, E3 we can calculate minus 13.6 upon 3 square 9, that is equal to minus 1.51 electron volt, like that. So, we can calculate the energy of electron in any orbit.